Hello everyone, a lot of you guys keep asking me what copy trader do I use when I'm trading futures and what I would recommend. Of course, there are way too many copy traders in the market, in the industry. You can go with Trade Copier, Trade Syncer, but the one I use is the inbuilt copy trader in Atlas. So the order flow trading software that we use, Atlas, it has an inbuilt copy trader. So if you're paying so much for artists, then I would say, why do you have to pay more for some other copy trader? Just learn how to use it and start using it. So the name of the artist copy trader is following manager. It's called a following manager. Whether you are using a MacBook or you are using a Windows laptop, you will be able to find the following manager. So right now I'm going to show you how I'm using it on my Windows laptop. So just go and play with this tools over here in the top. You have learn, you have home, you have tables, you have market news, you have various different things like that, right? So just go there and find this. I just click on home, and when I click on home, I'll be able to see something called as the following manager. Now, this is basically a copy trader. A copy trader basically allows you to copy the same trade on multiple accounts. If you want the same trade to be punched on multiple accounts, then this one is for you. So just click on it, then something like this will open. Following manager will open. It's taking some time to load right now. All right. So this is how it looks like. And firstly, what you need to do is create a copy group. So you need to create a copy group. Basically, before we even get started with all of this, you will have to what do you say, log into all the accounts that you have. Just go here and your on your accounts and log into all the accounts that you need, and then you go to copy trade. Now, one thing I'll say, the best way to go about trading with copy traders is having accounts of the same size. You can obviously have different sizes too, but the best thing to keep position sizing simple is to have same accounts. If you're trading 25K accounts, then try to copy the trades on multiple 25K accounts or multiple 50K accounts or multiple 100K accounts, but try to keep the account size same on all. That would make things simple for you. So this is how the following manager looks like. You need to create a copy group. So first you just click on copy group. Now, firstly, you would need to add a provider account. Now, what is a provider account? A provider account is the account who is basically like your master account. Whatever trades you place on your provider account, that gets copied to your other accounts. Okay. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. So right now I just go here and click on this. So I have a lot of accounts here. Right now, I don't have any PA on this. So if you have a PA, then it's a PA. You want to copy from evaluations to PAs, or you want to copy between multiple PAs, or you want to copy between some PAs and some challenges, you can do that as well. It's totally up to you. So first, have a provider account. So for this video, I'm using the demo account as my provider account. So provider account is basically like a master account. Whatever trades I take on this account, they get copied to the other accounts. Okay. Now see this copy trading mode. Now what is copy trading mode? You have two options here. Your positions will be copied or your orders will be copied. Now what's the difference between these two? Positions means your open positions will be copied, which means whenever a position is opened, that's when it gets copied, right? But when you have the mode selected to orders, that means your orders will be copied. If you have pending limit orders, you have pending buy limit orders, sell limit orders, your pending orders will also be copied. So the best way to go about it is have your copy trading modes to be orders so that your stop losses and TPs are also getting copied to all your accounts. Okay. And notifications, if you want the notifications, just turn it on. If you want manual confirmation, turn it on, but I would say you don't need any manual confirmation. You do not have that much time to manually confirm each and every account and click on yes, yes, yes. Because if you are using a copy trader, that already means that you don't have time. You want to save time. That's why you are using copy trader. And if you turn on the manual confirmation on this as well, then it just makes things very difficult. So just do this Right click on orders. You don't need all of this. Now choose accounts. Now where do I want the trades on the demo account, on my provider account, to be copied? So I want it on this account. Now let's say I want more accounts. I go to another account. I want it to be copied on this as well. Let's see, more account. I want it to be copied on this as well. More account. I want it to be copied on this as well. More accounts. I want it to be copied on this as well. More account. Let's say I want it to be copied on this. I want it to copy on this. You can copy a lot of accounts. So now what happens? Whatever orders I'm placing on demo to A958, it gets automatically copied to all of these accounts. All right. Whatever SLTP I'm placing on this account, they will be copied to all of these accounts. That's a pretty cool tool. So within one click, you are placing account not only on this account, but on all of these accounts as well. Now ratio. Do you want the ratio to be same? Which means, do you want the position size to be same as the position size on this, or you want it to be more by this ratio or something? I would say keep the same thing. If you want to explore it, if you want to risk more on some other account, then you can change the ratio of the same. So it's that simple. Now you've created a copy group. You click on add. Now what happens? Look at this. You have add. You have created a copy group. This is your provider account. These are your accounts. Now, when you actually want to start trading, you go on your chart like this. And let's say I want to take a trade. Now I'm going to keep demo to A958 open because I want all my trades to be copied from this account because this is my provider account. Now, whatever trades I'm going to take on this, they will be copied on other accounts. Right now, I'm not going to place it because I don't want any trades to be copied right now. A lot of my accounts are passed and stuff. I don't want to mess with it. But whenever you want to start the copy trading, you have to click on start over here, or you will have to click on the play button here. Now that I have played it, which means it's in green color, right? This shows that whatever trade I'm going to place on this, the moment I click on buy market, it gets copied to all the other accounts as well. Okay. Let's say there comes a time now you are like, you don't want to copy anymore. You want to trade only on the provider account. You don't want it to be copied on it. You want to manually go and take trades on the rest of the accounts. You just click on stop. It's stopped now. Now, whatever trades I take on the demo account, they will not be copied on the rest of the accounts. So trust me, guys, this is a game changer. Now, let's say you have this provider account and all of these accounts. Now you have another provider account. Now you have another 5 accounts. On that, you want to have some other trade. You have some other trade idea. You just have to create a separate copy group, do the same thing again. Whatever accounts you want, you can have, and you can have multiple copy group accounts with different strategy on both of them, different copy traders. Don't be greedy. Don't think that this is the best thing ever and you want to start copy trading. First, try to take payouts from one account. That's when you get into copy trading. But I'm just introducing you to this because copy trading is the new big thing. It has actually, it's not the new big thing. It has always been a big thing. People just didn't talk about it. It is very cool. Imagine making $100 on one account and imagine copying it on 7 accounts and making 100 on all of them. That's an easy $800 for you right there. So this is very nice. I'm using Artist for it. So yeah, I would just say that explore it, see it, and try to learn it, and make sure that your copy trading mode is set to orders instead of position. That just makes everything very easy. And if you guys still have any questions, then make sure to ask me. And if you still don't have an Atos account, then the link is given in the description box below. Make sure to sign up with it.